how to remove shorts from YouTube feed. So if you want to remove shorts from your YouTube feed, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to just simply go with the three horizontal lines, which will be in the top right, and then you need to go with settings. And once you're on your settings, here on the left side, you will have the shields option. You need to click on shields. And once you click on shields, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you'll find an option of content filtering. If you click on that, then you can simply find out the filter list. You can go with show full list and you'll have all of these lists right here. And if you scroll down a little bit, then you'll be able to find out the option of YouTube anti-shorts option. Once you find it, you need to check the option and refresh it. So go back to your YouTube and then refresh your YouTube, and you won't find any shorts on your YouTube. So that's how you can remove shorts from YouTube feed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.